Hi guys, this is David with Sound Plumbing. I'm going to give you guys a few tips to get you by while this whole coronavirus thing's going on. So with the toilet paper shortage that we have, a lot of you guys are probably going to be using wet wipes or Kleenex or maybe even paper towels. If you can, put those in the trash can. If you do accidentally flush it down the toilet, then there's a chance that you might clog that toilet. Here's a few tips on plunging your toilet. It's usually so easy that a kid could do it.
Asher, do you know how to plunge a toilet?
Yes, I do. There are different kind of plungers that you can buy. This is not the right kind.
See, it's flat.
This one is used to plunge sinks.
Or bathtubs. See the shape on the end of this one?
This is the right kind of plunger to plunge your toilet.
Most people think you're shoving air down the toilet.
But you're actually supposed to fill this with water first. You tip the plunger back to fill it with water.
Once it's filled with water,
you can start plunging. Plunging. Plunging.
And now your toilet's clear.
I hope those tips were helpful. If you guys try that and it doesn't work, go ahead and reach out to us at Sound Plumbing. Thanks.